So she did this really cool speakeasy door, and I was going to make it for her just because it was such a good idea, but then I got lazy. Didn't do it. Anyway, so Bells and I are having a fun little Saturday today, and she's going to tell us what are the things we're trying to accomplish with the goat feeder.
It has to be strong.
Why does it have to be strong?
Because the goats could headbutt it, and then it could
Well,
just
they're
fall.
not. It's not a could. They're gonna.
And it needs a roof over it so the food doesn't get wet.
What's your idea?
My idea is we could make a hole right here, and then we could put a hook, and then there could be like a little circle door. You can just dump food in, and then when you're done, you can just let go, and then it would close.
Yeah. Yep. Here we go. We're going on vacation. I need a way for petite G Mama to feed our goats. We got Mean Rooster out. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Eat it. Oh, he was such a jerk face. He ripped open my welding gloves. I don't have them, but I do have them. Where's the golf cart? No, I don't. No, I don't. Dang it. That it. Oh, the goats are so happy. And they're pieces of crap. I mean, look at that. Let's just rip through some fencing, okay? Look, we had this to support and brace the door right here. Look where it is. It's crazy what two horns can do. Yep, those horns right there. Oh, let's take a look. Come on, behind the curtain. Hey, subscribe for more tips. So I made this door with this little hook. Because the worst thing you want to have happen is when you're feeding them and this thing crashes on your head. So, super easy. There was a 2x4 fencing just like this. So great. I took goat. Oh, you gonna bite my hand, big guy? Took goat panel. It's like a 4-inch square, which is which is perfect. So they can just horn that thing to death. Is that the right word? Wait. They can just beat on that with their horns until their horns fall off, because this is metal, right, guys? Oh, don't bite my finger, big guy. Metal. You can't eat metal. So, anyway, they're going to beat the crap out of this thing, but who cares? And then what I did is I built this frame. Then I came over here and I cut the wire mesh. This is just 1/2-inch hardware cloth, and I cut it right here, made a little square, even thought through, and you'll see on the story stick where the brackets go. So everything just makes sense, and it worked out so great. Only thing I have left is to build some kind of roof, because I don't rainy days, which we have had a lot of. I don't want the pellets getting soaked, so we're gonna do a high up roof out that the roosters can't get on and jump out, and that the goats can't jump out. I mean, they destroy everything. She wanted a little door right here, like this big door. So you just go whoop, pour in the food, whoop, and then we decided let's do a big door that does everything. So it's so great. Hey boys. Oh, sorry. I left the mesh here, and we've got the 4-inch squares on the other side. So all you gotta, boys, all you gotta do is stuff it between the two, which is so great. Hey boys, you like that? And then the hay will fall in that tray. I mean, okay, in retrospect, I would make this instead of 1.5 inches. Hey buddy, I'd make it like 4 inches. That way I can just stuff it right in there. You know, I turned this 2x4 this way, but it was already like this, 1.5 inches. And what's super great about the 1.5 inches versus the 4 is I mean, if you look over there where it used to be, look at all the dead and yeah, like they're not going to eat that hay. With this method, we tuck it in there tight. They got 4 inches to nibble through. And then we got this black plastic tray right here to catch it all. So they're going to eat it again. Just jump up and dig in here, huh, big guy? Look at that. You want some? Eat that. Come on, Tumnus. Look at that. He ate out of the tray. So much less waste. I'm very excited. Is that working for you, boys? Oh yeah, and then I just cut one of these bars out. You see this? So I cut this square out right here. All you gotta do is, it's so easy. Hey B, grab me a cup full of pellets. Why not? Let's just, right there, middle barrel. What's great too, and I thought through this. Let's do a 4-inch square because the cup is 3 inches, so I can just do that. So I even thought about cutting this out right here, so you can just. But watch this, everybody. Should we do it up here? Oh, we should do it down here. No, we should do it over here. Wait, this is what I thought, but that doesn't even work. So let's do this. Hey, big guy. Oh, don't break my finger. Funny boys. I don't want to grab a horn. Grab the bull by the horn. Oh, he'll break my wrist, won't he? Probably thinks I'm dummy. Watch. Oh, yep. Oh, wait. You know it's me? What about this guy? Ooh, who's the goat master? Watch him break my finger. All right. Just teasing you guys. Check this out. Made this little hook. Bada boom. Bada bing.
That's awesome, dude.